Hey guys, my name is Nathan. I'm the main person behind Fisher Orchestra over here. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own score video. This is going to be a free alternative to anyone who doesn't want to or doesn't necessarily have the extra money to spend on Adobe or any of those professional quality stuff. But this is still a great option, so I use it on all my videos, so this is perfect if you're just getting started trying to make your score video. And if you want to move on to something more quality later on, this is totally a great starting point. But anyway, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it, and I'll get right into the video. Alright guys, what you're going to want to do first is open your software of choice. Mine is MuseScore personally, just because I've been using it for a long time. I know a lot of the shortcuts, ins and outs, and it's my favorite with the Muse Sounds and the Muse Hub and all that. But this will work for Finale, this will work for Dorico, this will work for any other software that you choose. But once you open up your software of choice, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to screenshot everything. And after you screenshot, you're going to want to save it as something that you'll remember. Like if it's a long name, just do the initials of the name and then page dot 1 through 2 or 5 through 7, or it doesn't matter. Once you have everything screenshotted and out of the way, what you're going to want to do is actually open up Canva. Now Canva, you're thinking, what does Canva do? All right, Canva is actually great. All right, don't hate me. All right, just hear me out. Okay, right now I have the light, and that is my most recent piece. I have this tab open up in Canva where all my screenshots are saved and they were on this little slideshow. And so what you're going to want to do is first upload your screenshots to Canva itself, and then one by one add your screenshots in order onto the slideshow in Canva. Alright, now this is where it gets a little tricky, because as you can see, some of my slides are the same exact slide as the next one. And for the reason for that is because Canva only allows 30-second slides. That's the max you can do. So what you're going to want to do to get around that is duplicate the slide that is longer than 30 seconds. Once that is done, just add the remaining time on the second slide, whatever is left after you subtract the 30. So for example, let's say your page 3 of your score is 45 seconds long. What you want to do is after you duplicate that 30-second slide, you want to have 15 seconds on the second slide. So that way it's a smooth transition when the page turn happens on your score video and it follows along with your audio. I put this piece up specifically so you guys could see this example in real time. My second and third page on this slide are the exact same because it's longer than 30 seconds. See, one of them is 30 seconds and the other is 24 seconds. So that way it's a smooth transition to slide 4 and 5. I forgot to mention earlier in the video that it's better to just time this on your phone and just have it like take laps every time it turns a page. I probably should have mentioned that earlier, but just so you know, that's how I calculate that timing. If you guys may have noticed, I do have a title cover or a cover page or whatever you want to call it. I do have that. If you guys want in a later video, I will teach you how to make that. It's just in Canva. It doesn't take long. It's not a long process. But if you guys want, I will teach you how to do that in a separate video. Alright folks, once you're done with all the editing stuff and making sure all the timing pieces fit up and line up with your music, what you're going to want to do after that is export that file into an MP4. Once you do that, put that file into any video software that you choose. Doesn't matter if it's DaVinci, doesn't matter if it's CapCut, it all works the same. Once you put that file into the video editing software of your choice, you're going to want to line that video up with your audio and just watch it back a couple times. Make sure that everything lines up and everything should be golden and you should be able to post it to YouTube or whatever. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'd appreciate it. And if you have any more video ideas that you want me to do or more suggestions or anything that you want me to share, please leave them in the comments. I'll make sure to get back to you on that. Thank you so much for watching. Please have a great rest of your day.